Sheila! This must be the back entrance. That's it. I'm inside, Hardy, but there are infected everywhere. Need to deal with them.
Copy that. Let us know when we can come in.
Skin. The lobby's cleared out, so I'm headed to the auditorium.
Thanks for the update. Over.
That had to hurt!
from Henderson are you?
First time I've set foot in this town. I'm with some other survivors, and we want to fortify your cinema. Use it for shelter.
There's more than enough room for everyone. That won't be a problem. You'll need to fortify all of the entrances first, though. Make sure those beasts can't find another way in. There are security shutters at the front and rear of the building. The rear shutter hasn't been used in ages, though. To activate it, you'll need a key from the lodge. Thank you again. If it wasn't for you, I'd be dead.
It's always worth taking a look.
You closed the shutters? Good. Now it's safe for the others to join us. A hostel in town was turned into a kind of field hospital. You might want to go over there. If you need more information, speak with Cecil.
The building's cleared out and should be safe. I also found another survivor.
Did you hear that? We're going to be all right. We're all on our way.
Thanks again for rescuing me. I thought for sure I wouldn't survive. It looks like you could all use a place to heal and rest up.
This is hopeless. Where will we go? They're already there.
Well, at least we have a roof over our heads here.
When the plague first hit, everyone left. I thought the authorities would eventually come, so I stayed behind. I was worried about looters. Little did I know that would be the least of my worries. Everything I own is in this theater. I couldn't bear to leave it behind. But now, after all that's happened, I'd like to go with you.
You're welcome to come, but no promises. We're all in the same boat here, and as far as I can tell, this son of a bitch is sinking.
Any luck contacting the base?
No. Maybe their radio's down.
What the hell happened here?
The disease spread so quickly, the army created a quarantine zone. They said they had it under control.
But they did.
From the outside, the base looks intact. As I said, Commander Briggs is a friend of mine. This base is our only chance for rescue. We must get in there.
I wouldn't. The military abandoned this town, and everyone in it. They locked themselves in that base. Anyone who approached, anyone seeking shelter, was shot. After a while, people stopped trying.
Bloody heroes, eh?
Jesus.
Look, they must have thought those citizens were infected. Otherwise, they would never have done something like that.
Sure they would. Just like they did in Banoi, just like New Orleans. Man, that's just how it works.
Is Harlow here?
I thought she was with you.
Who saw her last?
I thought we ran like crazy. I thought she was with us.
Fuck! You left her behind, just like you'd leave us all.
Jesus Christ, woman. Get a grip.
Or what? You gonna hit her? Chima is right. All you immunes are getting a little crazy.
Crazy how? What the hell you saying?
You don't trust us now? Well, maybe we don't fucking trust you.
Everybody, just calm down.
It's the chemicals, the mutagens. Look at them. They can barely control themselves.
Come on, people. We've gone too far to give up now. Stay here while you check the base. If the guards make trouble, I'll talk to them on the radio. It's the only way we're getting out of this alive. Do your job. We're leaving no one behind.
We should check out the rest of the town. See if there's any way out of here that don't involve that motherfucking military base.
I bet there's all kinds of weapons and shit in that military base. We should go over there and take anything that ain't nailed down.
I'm trying to stay positive and keep everyone's spirits up, but it's getting hard. Everyone thought Henderson would be
Check out
safe.
the rest of the town. See if there's any way out of here that don't involve that motherfucking military base.
Hey, I told you this place was perfect, didn't I? And thank you for saving Jacqueline. Here, take some of this. It's the least I can do.
Right, Arthur. Maybe Colonel Hadi is right. The military wouldn't
You know,
harm one of their
it
own.
really doesn't matter what
Get the let out, people.
Sitting around
This
gossiping
theater's
won't
boring the
change
shit out of me.
Besides, there are more important things to do, like checking the military base for ammo and supplies.
Okay, I'll head up to the military base.
The base's defensive grid and alarm system are probably active, so the soldiers will attack at the first sign of intrusion. If that's the case, you'll need to blow the gate and proceed inside. Just be careful about it, all right? We don't need to start World War III. If any of the soldiers try any shit, tell them that I sent you. Like I said before, the commander, Colonel Briggs, is an old friend of mine. When you find him, get him on the horn and I'll talk to him. He'll help us out. Ready to go?
Sure thing.
Godspeed. I'll stay in touch via the radio.
We should check out the rest of the town. See if there's any way out of here that don't involve that motherfucking military base.
Maybe they took off when it got bad. They're still using it.
What if they are dead? What if there's no military even left?
The military's incompetence is really pretty appalling. And we're supposed to trust them?
I bet there's all kinds of weapons and shit in that military base. We should go over there and take anything that ain't nailed down.
It's so nice to see a friendly face. My name is Damien. It's nice to meet you. Since we're having such a pleasant conversation, may I ask you a favor? Listen, I need some batteries. With the power out, batteries are the only way to keep things running. Understand? Will you get some for me?
Absolutely.
Splendid. me? Why did you bring me batteries? I guess it's not important. I'll remember sooner or later. Listen, I need you to bring me 2 more items. I need some spark gap tubes.
What do we got here? Shit! He activated an alarm!
There must be a heat sensor in the gate, which is why it doesn't detect the zombies. There's no time for you to find the off switch. Destroy all the speakers before half the fucking town shows up.
Mines! dead for good.
And I'm leaving this audio diary just in case something happens to me. The military base is in trouble. You can hear alarm sirens going off and all kinds of explosions. I thought they would help us. I thought they would protect us. But they can't even protect themselves. If you find this recording, please get it to Mike and Blanca Guerra in Woodland Hills, California. Mom, Dad, I know you didn't want me to come here. I know you didn't understand why I wanted to leave LA and join the Peace Corps. I'm sorry I disappointed you. I wanted to see the world, have an adventure, make a difference. I'm so sorry.
Take that, you bloody shithead! did it. I'm going to enjoy the silence.